Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an image carousel to your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to showcase multiple images in an engaging, interactive format that keeps your visitors interested. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's dive right in. First, go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear, and from here, click on Website. This will take you to your website overview page. Now you'll want to make sure you're working with the correct website. Take a moment to preview the website settings displayed on your screen and confirm that this is indeed the website where you want to add the image carousel. It's always good to double check before making any changes. Once you've confirmed you're on the right site, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon. Click on this button to proceed. This will direct you to the Wix website editor screen where you'll be able to make all your design modifications. Here's where things get interesting. Open a new browser tab and head to commonninja.com. This is the platform where we'll get the image carousel widget that will power your carousel feature. Under the Common Ninja dashboard, click on the plus Explore Catalog button located in the middle of your screen. This will open up their widget catalog. For easier navigation, let's use the search bar located at the top part of your screen. Type in image carousel and you'll see the widget appear in the results. Hover your cursor over it and click on plus Create Image Carousel. This will take you directly to the customization interface where you can build your carousel from scratch. Now it's time to customize your image carousel. Start by clicking on a carousel item for customization. Here you can add a caption and an image. You have the flexibility to upload from your PC or use an image URL if your images are hosted online. Take your time adding and customizing each carousel item exactly how you wish to present them to your audience. Next, on the left navigation menu, click on the Look and Feel button. This section gives you control over the visual appearance of your carousel. Start your customization with the font type, then adjust the carousel width to fit your website's layout. Click the drop-down menu and set how many items you wish to show at once, then adjust the height accordingly. Scroll down to see more customization options that will help you fine-tune the carousel's appearance. Once you're satisfied with how you've customized the image carousel, click on Save Changes located on the top right part of your screen. You'll be prompted to set a location where you wish to save this project. Once you've selected your preferred location, click on Save Changes again. You'll see a small window confirming that your widget is ready. Simply click on the Copy Code button to copy the embed code. Now head back to your Wix website editor. From the editor, locate the Add Element button on the left navigation menu and click on it. Select Embed Code and under the popular Embed section, select Embed HTML. Click the plus button and it will be added to your website canvas. You'll now see the HTML code editor appear on your screen. This is where you'll paste the embed code from your image carousel. Simply paste the HTML widget code into the editor and click on Apply. Your image carousel will now be embedded and visible on your website, ready to showcase your images beautifully. And there you have it, you've successfully added an image carousel to your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.